LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the screws. Remove the cover. Remove the cable. Remove the screws. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the screws. Remove the wire. Gently pry out the hard drive. Remove the caddy from the hard drive. We will now install the new hard drive. Slide the hard drive back in the laptop. Plug the cable back in. Place the screws back in. Plug the cable back in. Place the screws back in. Snap the plastic cover back in place. That's all. You just replaced your laptop hard drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.